Welcome to the Future Ready Career Accelerator 2026. This video is your roadmap to thriving in an AI-powered workplace. We will cover AI productivity, Lean Six Sigma, Agile methodology, and essential digital skills to help you lead transformation. The workplace is changing rapidly. The professionals who adapt will create extraordinary opportunities, while those who don't risk being left behind. In this video, you will learn how to build future-ready skills with a practical 90-day action plan. Your host is Puneet Singh Thakur, an expert with over 20 years of experience in transformation. He has trained hundreds of professionals and led over 50 major enterprise projects, helping teams across industries thrive through change. The traditional career ladder is gone. Today's job market rewards a dynamic, evolving loop of skills, adaptability, and AI capability. Qualifications may open doors, but these skills determine who truly succeeds once inside. AI isn't replacing everyone. It is replacing specific, routine tasks. By combining your unique human skills, like judgment, empathy, and creativity, with AI tools for automation and analysis, you gain a powerful competitive advantage. Our future-ready professional framework consists of 5 pillars: AI productivity, agile working, Lean Six Sigma problem-solving, data-driven decision-making, and personal branding. Mastering these pillars creates a sustainable career advantage. Do you have a skill gap? Most professionals today are well-versed in traditional areas, but underprepared for the capabilities employers now prioritize. This workshop is designed to help you bridge those gaps effectively. Lean Six Sigma is a game-changer for your career. It eliminates waste and reduces variation, making you a professional who solves problems instead of just describing them, whether you work in finance, healthcare, or tech. Agile is a career superpower, not just for tech teams. An agile mindset allows you to collaborate across boundaries, adapt quickly to shifting priorities, and deliver measurable value continuously, which is exactly what modern employers need. By integrating AI productivity, Lean Six Sigma, and an agile mindset, you create an unbeatable combination. Professionals who master these 3 disciplines will be the most sought-after experts for the next decade. Here is your 90-day transformation roadmap. Days 1 to 30 focus on building your foundation. 31 to 60 are for applying those skills, and 61 to 90 are about showcasing your capability to potential employers and your network. Employers in 2026 aren't just looking at your past qualifications. They want to know what problems you can solve, how you improve processes, your technology fluency, and how adaptable you are to future challenges. Your personal brand is your career currency. It is your first impression and your magnet for opportunities. You must optimize your LinkedIn profile, master storytelling, and build a strategic network to stand out. To get you started, we are providing a free toolkit. This includes a professional resume template, an AI prompt pack, a LinkedIn optimization guide, and a Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt introduction to help you take action tonight. These frameworks deliver real results. From reducing healthcare wait times to cutting project cycles in finance and saving hours through AI-assisted reporting, these strategies work in real organizations for real professionals like you. Let's take a moment for an interactive exercise. We have 3 questions to help you identify your career gap. Where are you today? Where do you want to be? And what specific skills will bridge that distance? Writing these down is your first step toward transformation. Career growth is a continuous cycle. We call this the future-ready career model. It starts with learning high-value skills, applying them to real-world problems to build evidence, demonstrating that value to your network, and then growing to the next level. Your journey continues beyond this workshop. Six Sigma Consulting Australia offers a structured path to mastery, including Lean Six Sigma and Agile certifications, AI productivity programs, and one-on-one transformation coaching to keep you accountable to your 90-day plan. The future belongs to the adaptable. You now have the awareness, the framework, and the tools required to move forward. The only question that remains is whether you choose to act. The best time to start is right now. Thank you for joining us tonight. Your commitment to investing in your future sets you apart. Visit us online at our website or get in touch via email to download your free career starter kit and book your discovery call.